Hello guys, today we are going to play a new game of TFT, Chandragupta the Warrior Prince. Let's raise up the volume so that you can easily hear it. Let's start the game. So we are going to play a new game. So here it is. Let's start with the first chapter.
On the banks of the great Indus River, a youthful Chandragupta waits impatiently for a signal from his spies. He needs to know the right moment to strike his enemy, Seleucus, the Greek ruler of a vast kingdom to the west of the river. Using the cover of lush green grass, Chandragupta positions his men. Chanakya, his mentor, reminds him about the final preparations and tells him not to be impatient. Settle for nothing short of a resounding victory, he says. Chanakya then hands Chandragupta a very special conch, one that he should use as his distinct battle cry and as a call to the reserve troops whenever he needs them.
So guys, let's start. So this is the first stage. We have to battle from the soldiers. After we defeat some soldiers, this red door will become green so that we can go to the next level. So let's my favorite attack is this guy. But you can also do this because it is a very strong attack. You can easily kill enemy by 1 or 2 hits. Twice. So this is the light attack which I am doing, and this is the heavy attack which is a little bit slow. So I am doing the small attack. So because it is very fast to kill them. Became green, so we can move. You can easily kill many soldiers by doing this. But you cannot kill the soldiers which have shield with them. So I have to kill them this way. So let's go to the next level. So I am playing this game in easy mode. You can play in any mode. There it is, easy, medium, hard, and impossible. So we have to kill them by this arrow. You have to press the R button to use arrows and hold it and then aim. And then there are some puzzles in between the game which will provide you gold, but I don't want gold this time. The gold is required to upgrade your weapons. So if you want better weapons and better equipment, you have to collect gold. So the door is green now. We can go to the next level. So each chapter contains 4 levels. This is the third level. One last level is left. Watch out for these arrows because they can instantly kill you by sometimes. These arrow these arrows are very annoying because they can come anytime you by if you are battling, then these arrows can kill you easily if you are in possible or hard mode. So that's why I'm using easy mode to understand, so that you guys can understand. See, he's continuously throwing bows. Finally, I do this to stun the enemy, and then I will finish him off with this move. I will tell you about this. Just wait a second. First you do this and then hold the attack button, heavy attack button. Again and then the attack button. This instantly kills your enemy and also gives you point so that you can charge the heavy attack. Reinforcements. So the door is green now. So let's get to another level first by killing them. So we have to hang here. So first you have to do is run and then jump. Then we have to press X and then we can jump out of it. We have to also watch out from these arrows. Sometimes these jumps can also hurt you, like this. We have to also be aware of these small holes because they can kill us. See, but we can restart the checkpoint. So then this and then X. See, the jump hurted me. Guys, I am also a beginner, so I don't even know much about this game. But this game is pretty awesome. You have to try this to get better. See, this part triggers you because even a small fall can take your life. See, again. I have to do it again and again, and this is so annoying. Finally. In this level there is no boss, but from the second and third and next levels there will be bosses who you have to defeat. This first level is actually for the beginners who want to learn how to play this game. So if you are a beginner, you have to play this first, and if you easily win this first level, this means you can easily defeat the other bosses in the next levels. There are total 8 levels, 8 chapters, and in each chapter there are 4 levels. this means there are this means there are about many chapters. And here I once again. I don't know how many times I don't know how many times I died in this game. See, that jump hurted me. So we have to press O to change the direction of Chandragupta. You have to be very careful before jumping. Oh no. Oh yes. That was my luck. So here we are once again in this. Oh no, I got hit by an arrow. Yes. Finally got. So here it is very tricky one. You have to not here. If you just jump, you will get eliminated and you will die. I have died many times. So here it is. Oh, so there is a boss. Sorry guys, but there is a boss in level 1 also. Here comes the boss, Seleucus. So I have not told you guys about the legend mode. I will tell you about it later. Just a second. So here it is. My legend mode has charred. The purple line above. So all you have to do is press triangle for legend mode. See? It easily kills many enemies by one shot. Such a coward Seleucus. Every time he get hit, he will call his bodyguards to save him. Here comes his last. So let's try this. I won. So guys, I got 3150 gold. So let's upgrade. Yes. So guys, please like, subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any video. I will see you guys in the next video with the second chapter. Bye.